Good morning. Whatever that means. Good morning. Good morning.
Nasiraan daw eh.
What's happening now? You studied my crown, borrowed my body. Huh? What? Kiss your sun. I'm cold like the wind. Papunta po ako ng taping. Good morning, guys. Kamusta naman ang early morning commute? Papunta sa school, sa trabaho. Ano ba? Yeah, whatever. Kung saan ka man patungo. Wow! Ingat kayo. I am on my way to work. May taping ako today. But it is Tarapik. Shit. Wala na ba kayo ni Martin? Tanungin natin siya later. Kasama ko siya mamaya. Tanungin natin si Murtin. Hello to Zamboanga. Wow, that sun is nice. We should get some early morning sun. Diba? Early morning sun. Next na lang daw ako. Let's see, guys. Kasal pa si Isa, di pwedeng mapunta na lang kung kani-kanino. Charot. Diba? I love you so much. Thank you. Oh, God. So, kape tayo. Tara, B. Why not B? Oh, 3,000 of you. Thank you so much, guys. Salamat for sending that heart. What's it called again? Can I be my own fan? I have 1,500 fans. Thanks, guys. Salamat, Shi. Alright. Good morning. Kamusta kayo? Marunong mo na mag-cellphone si Amiha. Matagal na. That sun is hitting my eyes really nicely. Look at that. Yes, it's hitting my eyes quite nicely, isn't it? Alright, the skin is given. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anong nangyayari mamayang gabi sa firewall? Mag-aaway kami mag-asawa. Oh no. See you, yes, see you. I'll see you. Whenever I see you, I guess. Hiwalayan mo na si Martin. Ganun lang kadali yun, guys. Kung mabilis lang ang annulment, oh my God. You know. But yes. Iwan mo si Martin. Text na lang. Pwede bang wala na lang makakatuluyan si Isa? Pwede naman ako independent na lang. So what? Hello po sa Tawi-Tawi. Thank you sa mga nagsasend ng gift. Wala bang plot twist? Well, magiging amihan po si Isa, I guess. Just, so, yun. Invites. Ay, ano ba to? Tapos meron ka itong, hindi na.
Hello po.
Hello? Oh my God! Ay, hello!
Yes.
Good morning!
Morning.
Ganun pala yun? Random people. Ay, hello po. Ano po ginagawa nyo?
Sa artista.
Okay. Chicken feet. Ang tawag dyan sa Tagalog.
Kayla. Hello po.
Kylie po.
Kayli.
Ganun pala yun. Ganun pala mag-invite. Okay.
Kylie.
Saan po kayo? Nasaan po kayo? Good morning.
Pampanga po.
Ah, Pampanga! Taga dyan, mami ko. Chas.
Taga dito yung mami mo.
Kuya? Nakakaintindi ako nakapampangan.
Di naman po ako
Ha?
Pampanga.
Ah, hindi ka kapampangan?
Ako. Bicol.
Ah, Bicol. Okay, diyan ka lang nag-work. I get it. Alright, nice meeting you po.
To meet you po.
Bye-bye. Paano ba i-out yan?
Kylie. Grace. Si Kylie. Oh, tingnan mo. Yung artista. Nagkaroon.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Tingnan ako paano tagal.
Basta.
Alright. Shit.
Kylie.
That's weird.
Saan po kayo ngayon? Daw.
Ah, pupunta ako sa taping ngayon.
Saan po?
Ay, hindi ko pwede sabihin yun, kuya.
Baka puntahan kita eh. Hindi, manonood lang naman ako.
Alam mo lang kasi.
Manonood.
Helicopter. Oh my God. Carly daw.
Tingnan mo. Kylie Padilla.
Yun. Okay. I didn't mean to do that, guys. Ganun pala yun. No, decline. Holy shims. Paano ba to? Quick invite. Okay, so ganun pala yun. Nakakatawa naman si Kuya. Diba, aga-aga nag-work sila. Getting ready for the day. Nakakatuwa. Actually, nakakatuwa ang gawin to. Wait lang. Let's... Okay din pala mag-hello-hello din, ano? Mga tao. That was actually fun. That was actually fun! Nag-enjoy ako doon, in fair. In fair. Actually, tago lang ako dito, guys. So, I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. But, you know, sige. While we're stuck in traffic... Tanong na ba ako ng mga pwedeng i-invite eh? Oh, thank you! Love, love, love. Mute microphone. Flip camera. Oh, okay. Pala yun. Aray! Ang sakit. Ay, online. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry guys, inaaral ko na yung TikTok because I don't know how to use it. Really. Should we battle? Should we? What would happen if we battle? Hmm.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, Shems. Sa taping ba to?
Oo.
Oh, there is an accident. Where we are. I'm not really good at banter, guys. There's one thing I know, so I don't really want to go battle with random people, you know. It's not something I'm interested in right now because it's just shy. I'm so shy. I'm so shy. I'm too shy. Anyway, buhay ba ulit si Emma? Totoo ba? Are you serious with that question? Obviously, namatay na siya. Hindi siya mabubuhay ulit, guys. This is not Encantadia. Okay. Feeling very sleepy now. Okay. Kamusta naman kayo? Anong meron for almusal? What you got for almusal? Almusal. Hindi pa ako makain. Oh, thank you so much. Pinagsabi. Ang ganda ng The Lotto Winner. Thank you, Tia. Oh, thank you po. Thank you for watching. Yes, guys, may movie ako sa Netflix. It's called The Lotto Winner. Please, if you have time, watch it. And pag manonood ka, magbaon ka ng tissue kasi nakakaiyak ko. Sabihin kayo ba ni Hex? Mahirap po kasi kasal si Isa. Hindi siya basta-basta, pwede makipagrelasyon. Thank you. Maganda nga talaga yung cap ko. This was a gift from my friend Ange in Australia. And it's a lotus because I am a Buddhist and the symbol lotus is very important, significant sa Buddhism. So, very thoughtful friend of mine. I'm happy I met her. Sana. Idol kita sa akin. Thank you. 200 likes na tayo, guys. Thanks. Tap the screen. And thank you. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, thank you. Ang daming nag-yun fair. What day is it today? Tuesday? No, it's Wednesday today. It's Wednesday. Wednesday today. Sana everyone has a good day. A lot of winner, thank you. Tagasan kayo, guys? Tagasan kayo? Where am I catching everybody right now? Where am I catching? Hello, sa Valenzuela. Sa Laguna daw, sa Bicol, sa Bukidnon, Masbate. Hello. Good morning po. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Mindanao, Tawi-Tawi. Agusan del Sur, hello po. Yes. San Mateo Rizal, hello po. Sa mga taga San Mateo Rizal. Sa Cagayan de Oro, hello po. Yes. Samahan niyo ako, magpunta ako ng dating. Taguig, Batangas, hello po. Magpunta po ako ng dating. Medyo traffic. But, yes, malapit na yun. Hello. Pampanga, hello. Good morning to you. To you. Pala yung invite time ko, no? Sorry. It's outside. Go outside. This okay. Lapit na kami sa salt. Ang kasi kakain na bit. Kailangan ko na mag-prepare. In a bit. In a bit. Sorsogon. Hello. Kabanatuan na Garcia. Hello po. Good morning po. Good morning. Good morning to everybody. Yes, everyone. 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 Um, Nakakaano. Ah. LU. Nakakamiss. Nakakamiss ng Baguio. Nakakamiss na. Okay. Magkano rin? Nakakamiss. No. Sorry. I don't want to invite anyone. I'm too awkward to be inviting like random people I don't know. I'm so sorry. I wish I was more not shy. Avizala.
Abad Palenzuela. Abad
Zal.
Palenzuela.
Zala.
Okay?
How many minutes have I been on? Thank you sa mga nag-gift. Thank you so much. Parang hindi pa po mamaya. Pero lalabas po si Amihan. Liza as Hanihan. But not later. I think Friday pa yung episode there. Friday pa guys. We're now here on the set. Sakto lang ang dating namin. Sakto lang. Saan pa yung standby area? Saan pa yung dito? Taas. May meron akong pilay right now. And I just go up, down the stairs. Agent Cervantes at your duty. Yes. Reporting for duty. Ano yun? Agent Cervantes reporting for duty. Agent Cervantes at your service. At your duty. What? What? I don't know how to use this, really. I don't. You can have a guest. Are you gonna have a co-host? Whatever those mean, I am not sure. It would be fun to have someone. But yes. Anyway, I think I'm gonna log out now. Kasi, kasi we're here sa set na. Ay, I might eat breakfast. Hopefully we have a good day today. At matapos lahat ng kaya or deliver ng maayos. Okay, bye! Ingat sa mga mo biyahe papuntang school. And ingat sa mga papunta ng work. Mag-dasal po before the day starts and during the day, syempre. And yun lang. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Salamat sa mga nag-gift and I'll see you again soon siguro. Bye!